Damien, you ready? Get your grip up. There you go. Take your left hand and slap that. Hit it. There you go. Point it at the target. Put your finger on the trigger. Slowly pull it back. Slowly.
Oh, why does that keep falling
Good.
out?
Damn.
Keep your finger off the trigger now.
Keep going, bud.
Nick.
What?
May I?
No.
May I shoot the 22?
Push that button right there. Right there on the side.
I thought he said yes, I could shoot the 22, so I loaded it up.
Push it. Push
Oh,
that
you
button.
told me no.
Push it in.
That's
Push
some
it down.
bullshit.
Harder. Okay, I'll put the gun up here. It's okay.
Hey, Nick. May I now?